Credit repair mistake number one, paying a collection. Many times I've had new clients come to me because they were referred by their mortgage lender after they thought they had fixed their own credit by paying collections. And now they come to us paying thousands of dollars for a collections account that maybe they didn't even have to pay in the first place if they would have just been able to work with a professional. What you find is when you pay a collection, it doesn't actually help your credit score. Instead, the credit score stays exactly the same as if that collection hadn't even been paid in the first place. Now, I have one exception, and that one and only exception is medical collection. If you pay a medical collection, it will be removed from your credit report. But I'll do you one better. Collections that are medical, that are under $500, cannot report on credit. So why pay the whole thing off if you can pay it down just under $500 so it doesn't have to show on your report? Now, you could do even better by getting it removed from your report by invalidating that debt. But if you're in a pinch, if you're in a time crunch, or you just don't have the funds available to do credit repair, there's a quick solution for you. Get that balance under $500 and you're going to see some scores improvement because it will be removed from your report. If you're interested in learning more about what you can do to improve your credit, then follow us. Or if you're interested in a consultation, follow the link in the bio.